Road, which is Umsning Jaggi Road. It has a length of 80 kilometers. That's a total stretch of it. And 40 kilometers is expected to be funded by the World Bank, which will, according to my expectation, tender will be floated next month, I think, month of February, funded by World Bank, like I said. And then other 40 kilometers, the second part of the 80 kilometer, that is expected to be funded by NESRDS. So no, NERSDS. I'm sorry. So Monday, I went to Delhi. I flew to Delhi to meet Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Donor Minister of India. I met him. We sat for 15-20 minutes, and it was a very good discussion. So I had a discussion with him regarding the same, and he, from his side as well, he had given me an assurance for, trying his level best to fund that road for me, for the state, I can say. And I went to meet him not only for that road, but there's another road which is called Bhairumbang Molosnai Sabuda Road. This is also a road that connects Assam with Meghalaya, and this road is this side towards Block 2. This Block 2 border area, Molosnai, Khandausu, Sabuda, and all these villages are in that road stretch. This road is 18 kilometers long, and its estimate is estimated to be 56 crore rupees. So these two roads was discussed with Honorable Donor Minister. And from his side, yes, obviously all of us know that, because of COVID and because of so many other reasons, we have a little bit problem when it comes to fund. And he also told me the same thing that, this year, this coming year 2021-22, financial year 21-22, they are expected to get less fund, not like other years. So he did give me an assurance that he will try his best. He and his team, his department will try their level best to give whatever amount they can for these two roads. If not both, at least one, maybe the 40 kilometers or the 18 kilometers.